Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today I'm going to teach you how to bind your Frsky transmitter to your custom drone. First, turn on your Frsky transmitter. We're going to be setting up a new model. You're going to hit menu. Now here you can have a model selection. We're going to go to the next open model, in this case number 4. Click and hold enter. Create model. And now model 4, as you see, is created. Then we're going to hit page. This is going to bring up your model setup. We're going to go down. And make sure your internal RF says D16. And we're going to change our range down to 1 through 8. Then we're going to hit page and go over to our mixer setup. Once we're in here, we're going to go down to our channel 5. This is where we're going to set up our auxiliary channels. Hit enter. For right now, I'm going to leave our mix name blank, but you can easily put in aux1. And I'm going to go down to source and flip the switch that I want aux1 to be. I'm going to use the SA switch. Hit enter to save that. Exit. We're going to add one more switch for auxiliary 2. Hit enter. I'm going to leave mix name blank. Go down to source. And we're going to use SB, our 3-position switch, as auxiliary 2. Now your transmitter is all set up. You can exit out. Now we're going to bind our model. We're going to turn our transmitter back on. We're going to hit menu. We're going to hit page one time. Now we're going to go up until we see bind. Now once we're on bind, we're going to hit enter. Hit enter again. You'll start to hear the tone. Now your transmitter's in bind mode. We're going to set that aside. Now this is the tricky part. If you have somebody that can help you, they can either hold the button or plug in the battery for you. Now we're going to hold in the button and plug in the quad. And you can exit out of the menu. Now you can unplug your quad. Now we're going to plug it back in and verify that we are bound up. Now you're going to verify your receiver has a green light on, and you're going to be all bound up. Arm works. If you bought your quad from us, for your aux2, your up position is going to be angle, your middle position is going to be horizon, and your bottom position is going to be acro. Otherwise, you'll have to program the switch in Betaflight. Alright guys, now you're ready to put some props on and go flying. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel for more build tips and tech tips.